Want to watch your IPTV channels in just a few minutes using IPTV Smarters? Then this video is exactly for you. Stay till the end and I will show you the easiest way to add an M3U playlist without any confusion. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVibes, your go-to place for simple and practical tech tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to add an M3U playlist in IPTV Smarters step by step. This method works for beginners and even intermediate users. Before we start, make sure you already have your M3U URL or file from your IPTV provider. Without that, this setup will not work. First, open the IPTV Smarters app on your device. It can be Android, iPhone, Smart TV, or even PC. Once the app opens, you will see a login screen. Here, choose the option that says Load your playlist or file URL. This is the option we need for M3U setup. Now you will see two main fields. In the first field, enter any name you like. This can be anything like My IPTV or your provider's name. This is just for your reference. In the second field, paste your M3U URL carefully. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Even a small mistake here can cause loading errors. After that, click on Add User. The app will now start processing your playlist. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed and playlist size. Once it loads, you will see categories like live TV, movies, and series. Just click on any section and start watching. If you are using an M3U file instead of a URL, you can upload the file directly by selecting the file option. The process is almost the same. Now let me share some important tips so you don't face issues. Always double check your M3U link before pasting it. Many problems happen because of incorrect or expired links. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow connection can cause buffering or loading errors. If channels are not showing, try refreshing or restarting the app. Also, always keep your IPTV Smarters app updated to the latest version for better performance. One more important thing, check the description for all working links. Please check all links and use the ones that are currently working. That's it. Now you know how to add an M3U playlist in IPTV Smarters easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials like this. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I will try to help you out. Thanks for watching TechVibes. See you in the next video.